Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to our topic adding and subtracting fractions with common denominator. So without further delay, let's go to the problem. Okay, so how to add fractions with common denominator? Okay, so let us start with this problem. 1 over 5 plus 3 over 5. So how to add this fraction? Okay, so we will perform addition on the numerator only, not the denominator. Okay, so this is equals to 1 plus 3 over 5. Okay, so we will just take 1 out of these two denominator, 5, because they are common. Okay, let us perform the addition. 1 plus 3, that is 4 over 5. Okay, so that is how to solve fractions with common denominator. Okay, so what about this problem? Okay. Again, we will just add the numerator, not the denominator. Okay, so 5 plus 1 over 9. Again, we will just take 1 out of these two denominator, which is 9, because they are common. Okay, then let us add 5 plus 1, that is 6, then copy the denominator, which is 9. Okay, so this is not our final answer. We can reduce this to lowest term by dividing this numerator and denominator by 3. Okay, by 3. Okay, so 6 divided by 3, that is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, so our final answer is 2 over 3. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, so what about subtracting fractions with common denominator? So let us start with this problem, 5 over 8. Okay, so let us rewrite. Maganda ito sa mga elementary na pupil. Matuto kayo dito kung paano mag-add at mag-subtract ng fractions na mayroon silang common na denominator. Okay, let us write 5 over 8 is subtracted by 1 over 8. So what we will do is just subtract the numerator only, not the denominator. We copy the numerator, 5 minus 1 over 8. Okay. Then 5 minus 1, that is 4 over 8. Then we can simplify also this fraction 4 over 8 by dividing the numerator by 4, as well as this denominator by 4. Okay, so 4 divided by 4, that is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay, so our final answer is 1/2 or 1 over 2. Okay, so what about this problem? Okay, so let us put okay, so let us rewrite 5 over 9 subtracted by 1 over 9. So again, we will subtract only the numerator, not the denominator. Okay, so 5 minus 1 over 9. So tanong, bakit isa na lang 9 ang linagay natin as denominator? Okay, isa na lang kasi common sila. So common denominator. Okay, so let us perform the subtractions on the numerator. So 4 minus 1, that is 5 minus 1 is 4. Then over 9. So this is our final answer, 4/9. Okay, so I hope that you learned from this short video presentation. Thank you for watching.